Right guys, here we are at the Holiday Property Bond at Siméon. This is cottage number 31. This is the little hall. Off the hall you've got a cupboard that's got your boiler, ironing board, parasol, clothes rail, bucket and dustpan and brush. Place there to hang your coats, hats and stuff. Then you come into the lounge and the living area. There's a dining room table. Come into the kitchen.
Fridge freezer.
Got a fridge freezer here.
And it's got a dishwasher. Here's your freezer.
There's a freezer bit. All your glassware up there.
Using them in a bit.
Your silverware there.
Plenty. Just an empty cupboard.
Spare cupboard there for all your provisions. They leave you with some dishwasher tablets there,
Yeah.
bags, washing up liquid, etc.
Brilliant. There's your dishwasher.
Slimline dishwasher there.
Lovely. Perfect.
There's a little welcome pack type of thing.
Collecting those at the minute.
All your knives up across the top there. See what's in the other.
Oh, don't know. Ooh.
There's a pull out
Yeah.
pantry area.
Yeah. Perfect.
There's your
Oven.
oven, a hob,
Ooh, sorry.
all your plates, etc.
Loads. Perfect.
That's just part of the
Yeah.
okay, so there's cupware, microwave oven, and here you've got all your spatulas, bottle opener, whisk, all that sort of stuff there. There's your table and chairs, little present there. Then you go down this way into the living area. Comes with the Monopoly Holiday Property Bond Edition. There's TV. And you got the view out there. Okay guys, let's have a look upstairs. There we go. See down into the lounge area there. Right, you come up to the top of the landing. There is staircase provided at top and bottom. You've got a set of drawers out here in the landing area. Look in this room. Right, you've got the double bed there. Set of drawers either side. And a view out over the car park there. You've got your dresser area, another set of 3 drawers. Power put socket there. Plenty of clothes hangers, your wardrobe there. The spare blankets up at the top bit if you need them. Go into the ensuite. Shower and bath there. More plastic bags over there. All your towels were on the bed there as well. You go across the landing into the twin room. 2 beds there. Got a power point down the side of the bed that side. There you've got your alarm clock with a USB charger in it. Here's a view from upstairs, out of the local town. and the rest of the properties. You also got a little dresser area there. Leads into the ensuite. You've got a shower. And all the same normal bits and pieces. And the wardrobe. Plenty of hangers again, nice big wardrobe. And there's a fan there as well if it's hot in the summer months. Different artwork there. Got the full length mirror on the wall there. Okay guys, that's our cottage review here at the Holiday Property Bond St Siméon. It's cottage number 31. Thanks for watching, we'll see you all soon.